Well, dear students, in this video we will learn about transverse wave and other some definition and representation of wave. So the waves in which particles of medium oscillate or vibrate at right angle to the direction of propagation of waves are called transverse waves. For example, wave produced in a string or wire when plugged at right angle. Transverse wave. If it is a string here connected like this and we oscillate like this, so then particle medium will be oscillating this and it appears like this. The particle here oscillate like this at right angle. String particle oscillate at right angle to the direction of propagation. Transverse wave can travel through solids only because sound wave require rigidity or shear and solids only have rigidity. And you can write here transverse wave can travel through solids only. This is because transverse waves require rigidity. Rigidity means ability to maintain shape, fixed. Solids can have a definite shape. Liquid and gases do not have definite shape. That's the meaning of rigidity. Require rigidity and solids only have rigidity. In one case, actually, when we generate wave in tank of water, pond of water, then water keep on oscillating up and down as well as, but that is on its own surface. That is only due to surface only. So this was something about transverse wave. There are many things to learn about waves. So I remain here in brief only to definition. I don't take any other thing because I want to tell something more here. Some definition about wave. Number one, amplitude of wave. Number one, amplitude of wave. In last chapter you have learned that when particle oscillate, so it oscillates about mean position. So maximum displacement from mean position was called amplitude. The same way here, when a wave travels through a medium particles of medium oscillate about their mean position. The maximum displacement of particle, of vibrating particle, and remember vibration are produced by wave. That's why we are talking amplitude of wave. जबकि displacement तो particle का of vibrating particle, maximum displacement of particle from its equilibrium position is called amplitude. Amplitude of wave. We denote it by small a or capital A. Because its displacement, so basically unit is meter or centimeter or millimeter. It will depend on which will be used. So this was amplitude of wave. Now number two, time period and frequency of wave. So sound, when we talk about sound, sound is vibration. If no vibration, no sound. So when wave travel through medium, particle medium oscillate. Have we? Again, when waves travel, when a wave, because we are going particular way, when a wave travels through a medium, particles of medium oscillate about their mean position. Why I am writing again and again? Because I have felt students are unable to use the proper words in defining them. Mean position. The time taken. The time taken to complete. The time taken by particles of medium to complete one oscillation or vibration is called time period of wave. I am repeating again why I am talking about wave. While medium oscillating, it is because medium oscillates due to propagation of wave. That's why it is called time period wave. It is denoted by capital T. It is denoted by capital T. The number of oscillations made by particular medium per unit time is called frequency of wave. It's called frequency of wave. Number of oscillation made per unit time. Simple बात है, but when I ask what do you know frequency word, literal meaning of frequency, ये भी नहीं बता पाते लोग. Frequency का literal meaning क्या है? Number of happening taking in a given time is called frequency. Just like I say, if I go to my friend again and again, I say कि I come very frequently to your house frequently. तो frequency वहाँ से है. It is denoted by n और nu. दोनों यूज करते हैं. So if capital T be the time period of wave, then frequency n or nu is equal to 1 by t. Generally per second is the unit, but one vibration per second, one vibration per second is called hertz. In the name of Hertz, scientist who discovered many phenomena, he produced electromagnetic wave in laboratory. He discovered photoelectric effect also. Hertz, anyway. So now I come to very important definition, which generally students feel unable to tell because they are taught other way. I am telling my way is different in teaching this chapter. I like it more though whole physics is very interesting for me, but this chapter, because I learned it with great, you see, after a long effort. So that's why I like it. Wavelength of wave. Wavelength of wave. ये क्या है? यहाँ प्रॉब्लम है बच्चों को बहुत बड़ी. Wavelength means length of wave. अगर आप मीनिंग लेते हैं wavelength means length of wave, तो the distance traveled by a wave in its time period. Time period capital T. The distance traveled by wave in its time period T is called wavelength of wave. Please adhere to this definition. Distance traveled by wave in its time period is called wavelength of wave. It is denoted by lambda. Lambda symbol is this. And speed of wave क्या होता है? Speed of wave. Distance traveled by wave per second. Distance traveled by a wave per second या per unit time is called speed of wave. When I ask how do you get V equal to n lambda, student get confused. ये क्या पूछ लिया आपने? V equal to n lambda क्या हो? We don't know what is V equal to n lambda. क्या है ये? रिलेशन कहाँ से आया? by definition wavelength. By definition of wavelength. In time capital T, wave travels a distance equal to lambda, and hence distance traveled by wave in unit time is equal to lambda by t, but distance traveled per unit time is speed of wave. Speed of wave v, और c भी लिखते हैं कुछ लोग, और c. So v equal to lambda by t, but 1 upon t equal to n. So v equal to n lambda. One thing left here. What is that? Graphical representation of wave. I will take in next video because I want to tell you in detail graphical representation of wave. हाँ भाई, तो वो हम लेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, और आई होप यू विल एंजॉय Please see, watch the video when you are sitting alone and nobody disturbing you. Only then you will understand. And read the book also, because books have lot of information. I summarize all those information in my videos. Thank you. Like the video, please like and comment on videos also. That is also important for me, not for you.